10, Euro Tremita, CQ Delta X-Ray, CQ10, CQ DX, Indian Zulu 0, Oscar Whiskey, Oscar calling the X, over. CQ10, CQDX, Indian Zulu 0, Oscar Whiskey, Oscar calling the X, over. CQ Delta X-Ray, CQDX, Indian Zulu 0, Oscar Whiskey, Oscar calling the X, over. Okay, Oscar November 3,
170 to the Upper Island Mindless Range Fox, Romeo Alpha 9 Kilo, over. Okay, QSL, take over. Micro Uniform 132, very pleased to meet you. And thank you very much, 73, and all the best. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. And QSL 9 Alpha, stroke HP 9, Bravo, Victor, Victor 9 Alpha, stroke Hotel, Bravo 9, Bravo, Victor, Victor, QSL 10, over.
Noi diciamo alle punte verso il
Oscar.
ecco, sono belle anche.
Delta Oscar 4 Zulu Hotel, Delta Oscar 4 Zulu Hotel, standing by.
Germany 0, Victor Quebec Yankee.
Germany 0, Victor Yankee. That is not correct.
No, Germany 0, Victor Quebec Yankee. Germany 0, Victor Quebec Yankee, over.
Yes, Roger, Germany 0, Victor Quebec Yankee, good evening. Thank you for you calling. My name is Martin, Mike, Alpha, Romeo, Tango, India, November. Martin is my name and my QDH is Stralsund. In the northeast part of Germany, QSL.
Yes, QSL, Martin, no problem at all. I didn't quite get your call sign, so please repeat that on your next over. The name here is Penn, like Papa Echo November November, Penn, and the QTH is Southwest England, in a small town called Brixham, like Bravo Romeo India X-Ray, Hotel Alpha Mexico, Brixham. So I'll put it back to you there, Martin, and please repeat your call sign again. From G0VQY, over.
Yes, Roger, thank you. Your report is 5 and 9, and my locator is Juliet Oscar 64 Mike Hotel. Juliet Oscar 64 Mike Hotel. This is the town Stralsund from Berlin, 200 kilometers north. 200 kilometers north from Berlin. So, what's that?
Yeah, QSL, what's your call sign, please? Your call sign, over.
My call is Delta Zulu Hotel.
Okay, QSL. Delta Whiskey 4, Zulu Hotel. Delta Whiskey 4, Zulu Hotel, Roger?
No, correct. Delta Oscar 4 Zulu Hotel. Delta Oscar 4 Zulu Hotel. This is correct.
Okay, apologies for that. Okay, we have that now. Delta Oscar 4 Zulu Hotel. No problem at all. Okay, yeah, Martin, yes, I have you now in Stralsund. Yes, That's all good. You're about 5 and 7 here at the moment. About 5 and 7 is your report. I'm using an ICOM 7400 and a very basic vertical antenna, half-wave vertical antenna. So I'll put it back to you for the final there, Martin. Delta Oscar 4, Zulu Hotel, from Golf Sierra, Victor, Quebec Yankee, over.
Golf Zero, Victor, Quebec Yankee, Delta Oscar 4, Zulu Hotel. Yes, I'll copy. My equipment is ein Yaesu, Tango 847 on antenna, dipole for 160, 80, 10, 15 and 6 meters on the roof as homemade. Looking for this construction of the homepage on Delta Lima 0 Hotel Sierra Tango .de. Delta Lima 0 Hotel Sierra Tango. Dort is the construction for this antenna. Roger?
Oh, Roger. Okay, no problem at all. Sounds good to me, and it's working very well there, Martin. Working extremely well. Okay there, Martin, I won't hold it. I'll let you carry on. And I'm making a YouTube video at the moment. I'm making a YouTube video. So if you check out Penn PENN, Papa Echo November, Golf Sierra Victor Queen Yankee on YouTube later, you might see your video, okay? Back to you for the final, Martin. Delta Oscar 4, Zulu Hotel, from Golf Sierra Victor Queen Yankee, over.
Yes, Roger, Penn, I have you in the QSL.com. I'm looking your QSL card, your picture from you and your wife, yeah, Roger?
Well, that's a very old picture, Martin. That's a very, very old picture. I think about possibly 10 years ago. 10 years ago, that picture, Roger?
Yes, Roger. No, yeah, okay. Yes, it's very good. It's very good. And yes, for today is all very good. QSL card via Europen, 23, good luck on 38 meters for the day.
Okay, Martin, thank you very much. Take care, my friend, and bye-bye for now.
Yes, bye-bye. 73, good to X.